Hey everybody, what's up? We are back with another portfolio review update. So, first off, I want to give a big shout out to my good friend Dumpster Dive Trades who just started making videos. Make sure to go check out his channel. He focuses on technical analysis and basically reversal trading undervalued stocks. Make sure to check him out. He makes great videos. But anyway, onto the portfolio. I bought a couple more stocks I want to talk about. I reviewed them already, but we'll get into it. I updated my bonds in my portfolio, and I want to talk about the dividend stocks that I have on my Robinhood account that ended up doing surprisingly well. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, let's get into it. So, first thing I want to do here is go over the new companies I bought. And I also just very recently discovered the TradingView watch list, which is probably the coolest thing that I have recently discovered. So, what we're going to do is go into the last month and look at the performance of all my stuff here. As you can see, most things are up. Well, I mean, some things are kind of up, I should say. Let's go into the 3 month. That makes everything look a little bit better. As you can see on the 3 month, everything is wonderful and beautiful. We're just going to get rid of the benchmarks here, make it a little bit easier to see, maybe. Everything is wonderful and beautiful. I had no idea that this visual was even a thing, but just so everyone is aware, I bought most of my stocks in October and November, and obviously since then they've done fairly well. Um, so yeah, that's about it for the stocks. Also, new companies I bought. I did purchase Super Microcomputer recently. I purchased Fastly, which I just reviewed, and I purchased New Holdings, which I'll have a review on tomorrow. All three of these, I believe, are fairly solid with the whole undervalued stock that can see a lot of growth. Don't mind me as I click through here. I just want to show the charts a little bit easier. So overall, in the past 3 months, Super Micro, obviously, I think a lot of people know, has been getting destroyed recently, had a very significant comeback, and is now looking like it is in retracement range to be going back up to where its stock price possibly used to be. So overall, I think it has a very strong short-term outlook. I could easily see it going much higher than it currently is. New Holdings looks insane. I could probably show the past year. Here is the past year for all of these companies. So New and Super Micro have both done okay over the past year, but overall, I believe that they will be continuing to outperform. And then Fastly is more on the technical side, where I'm looking at the stock as just being in a good buy situation. Um, all three of these, in my opinion, have excellent financials, and their stock prices are at really solid places where they can definitely see a lot of growth in the near future. But other than that, let's get into the whole dividend side of this. So I made a spreadsheet to go over it, and basically, we are looking at both ETFs that I bought. So I have the number of shares, the share price, the total equity, the dividend, and then how much was reinvested. So overall for YMAG, I got a $1.48 dividend. This is in 1 week, just to be clear. So almost a tenth of a share, just under a tenth of a share in 1 week from one dividend, which is pretty solid. And then we go into Y Max. I got just under a quarter of a share, 389 dividend. So what this means is, although my total equity did go down mostly because of the overall market decreasing, my total shares increased by 0.3. I got a $5.37 total dividend. and my yield in that 1 week from the dividends is 0.5%. So although the share prices did go down, I did yield 0.5% just from dividends in 1 week, which means roughly, if it stays this way relatively on average, that would be 2 to 3% a month just from dividends, which is really, really good. That's like 30% or more per year, which is insane. I'm very impressed by this. I think it could be really, really good. And also, for anybody that actually happens to watch, let me know if you want to see this format for the stocks in the future. I think it could really help to show like how my stocks are doing. I mean, I'm probably going to continue doing this um, for the future just because of how much easier it is. So, yeah, I think that's about it. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and I will see everybody in the next video. Thanks for watching.